came here to Jhansi yesterday in the evening time and we passed the night here. In the morning time we have seen the sanitation facilities schemes, and we talked to the Jhansi Municipality Corporation Commissioner, and we have got many experience sharing from him and his staffs. This afternoon, we after lunch, we have seen the Jhansi Space Museum, which is miracle for us, and we visited our village, and it explains itself, and it is, I think, in the world, one of the visiting area in the world, as well as in your country, I think. So we have registered in our mind to be an ambassador for your country, to tell them, to tell our peoples what have we have seen in your country, especially in Jhansi. So now we are ready to visit the ecosystem of this, and we will come back after what we have seen, and we tell you.